maybe take a minute, if you don't mind, and just talk about, how the NetSapiens platform has helped you really scale your business and differentiate within your business, what it's done for Viirtue as you've kind of built that foundation.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, no. So since we built our platform, it's really enabled us. Like we needed that backend control as essentially a software company that was building, say call usage rating, and we built all that stuff. Like we don't even, for one example, is we don't use the NetSapiens built-in CDRs. We pull that right from the database. So we just kind of needed to be able to have that control of the platform in order to do the things that we wanted to do on the back end and develop cool tools. And then also just to kind of give you background, I came from a network engineering background. I was an engineer in Nortel, I was an engineer in Avaya. And this was just kind of our background. And we really did want to build, and again, this was like 2013, 2014, there just wasn't a lot of these at the time. We wanted to build an active geo-redundant, high availability network. And back when we looked, there was really only two platforms that did that. It was you guys, and again, a now kind of gone away platform called Broadsoft. So those are the really like the big check the boxes, I think, for me as a decision maker of why we chose NetSapiens, and what we were able to take advantage of going in, because we know like there's some of our competitors at the time were using like Asterisk, for example. And that's the problem with Asterisk. You have an issue with that data center, everything goes down because you don't have calls processing at all. But the way that we've had, or you might have, if you have a data center go down, you might have some weird symptoms and stuff like that, but the calls all fail over really easy, especially with we use I think a dozen different manufacturer devices that we support that completely automated. Your customer generally doesn't even know if there's a problem happening. So those are the things that we know issues happen. They happen across the board, but it's just how resilient can the platform be, and then how much control did we have to maybe add even more resiliency past that. So those have all been big factors, and I think big reasons for our growth as well.